So in this problem, it is given that x square plus y square is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square. B is circle and PA and PB are the pair of tangents on C1, where P is the any point on the director circle of the C1. Then the radius of the smallest circle which touches C1 externally, and also two tangents PA and PB. So in this problem, we are given a circle which is C1 and whose radius is 3 plus 2 root 2, and it is given that in the question PA and PB are the tangents which are drawn to circle C1 from the point which lie on the director circle of C1. You know the director circle is the point of intersection of pair of perpendicular tangents. The tangents uh, angle between the tangents is 90 degree. Their point of intersection locus is the director circle. Then we have to tell the radius of the smallest circle which touches C1 externally, and also the two tangents P and PB. So let's see this problem solution. So this is our circle C1. Let's say its center is Q, and P is the point on the director circle from where the two tangents PA and PB is drawn. And you see that this is the smallest circle which touches circle C1 and also these two tangents. So we have to find the radius of this circle. Let's say center is R. We know that the radius of C1 is 3 plus 2 root 2. So this distance AQ is 3 plus 2 root 2. And the radius of the director circle we know is 2 times the radius of this circle C1. So it is 2 times the radius of this circle, which is this. So it is 3 plus 2 root 2 times 2, which is 3 root 2 plus 4. So this distance is PQ. Is PQ distance is 3 root 2 plus 4. And let's say the smallest circle radius is R. So let's say this circle radius is R. So we know that 3 root 2 plus 4, which is this distance PQ, we can break it in these parts. This distance, which is 3 plus 2 root 2, this distance, which is radius of the smallest circle, and this PR distance. And we know that the angle between the pair of tangents is 90 degree because P lies on the director circle, locus of point of intersection of perpendicular tangents. So if we draw this midline PR, and we know that the normal to the circle makes an angle with the tangent 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree and this angle is 45, half of 90 degree. So we know that the sine 45 is how much? This radius, which is R, and this distance PR. So we can see that PR is root 2 times R. So this whole thing is equal to the PQ distance, which we'll know 3 root 2 times 3 root 2 plus 4. So we can write in this way. From here, we can write again this thing in this format, and we can take 3 plus 2 root 2 in the left hand side, and 3 plus 2 root 2 will become common, and it will come root 2 minus 1. And here it is root 2 plus 1, and we can write in 3 plus 2 root 2 in this way, root 2 plus 1 whole square, and we can cancel 1 root 2 plus 1, and here it will remain 1 root 2 plus 1 and multiply by root 2 minus 1, which is 2 minus 1. And from here we can see that the radius of the smallest circle is 1. So in this way we can solve this. So if you like the video, then please share and subscribe it.